Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up a payroll in QuickBooks step by step. And it's really easy and simple. So what you're going to be doing guys first is, of course, you can get this from your dashboard home. You can use these shortcuts to create a payroll. You can come here, scroll down and add an employee right here. But I'm going to show you how to do this the normal way. You just come here, scroll down, you'll see this payroll option under menu. Okay, if you don't see that, just click on this arrow right here. It would bring all these options. Go to payroll, and now we can add payroll for employees and also contractors. And if you want, you can also get a workers comp. So I'm going to click on employees right here, and now we're going to be creating a payroll for a new employee. So here you can also see your existing employees, for example, active employees and inactive employees. You can filter using these, or you can check all your employees here. So currently I have Emily Platt and I have John Johnson right here. They have a bunch of details. You can, of course, if you have a lot of employees, maybe a company with 500 people, you want to search for an employee, you can just write their name right here and search for them. For example, I would search for John, and it would only bring up the names with John in it. So let me show you what kind of information I have on John. I have his legal name, his phone number, his preferred first name. If you want, you can add his gender, birthday, home address, email, mailing address, social security number, things like that. When he was hired, and what his job title is, his employee ID, what his billing rate might be. Okay, I can come here and edit these things. If you want to add an emergency contact, you can do that as well. For example, billing rate per hour. Let's make him $25 an hour. You can save that, and it would show. Right here. Billing rate is $25 an hour. So how do you add a new employee? So you can also change his status. You can change him from active to inactive if you would like. And you can change other things, like you can switch his department. You can also run a report on him. For example, if I run a report on John of all dates, all time, and you can go ahead and see this person. Okay, the report currently does not contain any data. That is fine. I'm going to now show you how to add a new employee right here, okay, in your payroll. So what you're going to be doing, guys, first, go ahead to payroll, click on employees, and then come here and click on add an employee. Okay, now the team member's name would be Walter, and his middle name you can add W. White. So his Walter W. White. You can add his email if you would like here, and then, for example, his email would be Walter2713 White 2713 at gmail.com. You can add a hire date. Let's say we hired him this start of this month. Right here, we can put it December 1st. You can add this employee right here. Click on add employee, and we're adding him to our payroll. And now, of course, as I told you guys, you can come here and do the edits you would like, add more information on him. Now let's go back and show you how we can do this same thing for contractors. Currently, we have a contractor with an insurance agency. They have a W-9 ready. So you can come here and see what the last payment we made for them was. We paid them by check last month, and we paid $2,000. You can see this right here. And if you want, guys, you can, of course, go ahead and click on it and see their individual details right here. The payments we have made to them in total, the documents that they have, we have of them. For example, we have their W-9 right here, and we can wait for this to load up. And once we enter our password, we'll be able to see, their W-9. So let me go back, and what we can do, guys, if you want to make a payment to them, let me click back right here. So what you can do is you can click on write a check, and we can either create an expense or create a bill. And let me show you how we can do that. So this is for contractors. So we already know how to do that for employees. This is how you do it for contractors. So you can add the payment method, for example, check, American Express, Visa, MasterCard. Let's do check. We can add a reference number if you want. You can choose a category. For example, we got insurance from them as an expense, and then you can add the amount. Maybe this one was $5,000. and you can add item details, and you can go ahead and save. You can make this recurring if you want. If it's maybe a monthly payment, then you can add this to your expenses. And it's really easy and simple. Come here and click on save, and it will be added to your expenses, guys. So expense of 5,000 has been saved. You can come here and see we have different expenses. You can go ahead and create a 1099 for them. If you would like, you can create a 1099 for all your contractors as well. And it's really that easy and simple, guys, to, set up payroll in QuickBooks. So I hope this video helped you out, guys. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next video.